Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by getting the Android X86 ISO and a Virtualbox VM ready. This is the concrete first step. Create a new VM, choose Linux other Linux, 64-bit, if using 64-bit ISO, then allocate at least 2 cores and 2 GB RAM. Attach a dynamically allocated 16 GB VDI and set SATA controller. Once done, mount the Android X86 ISO to the optical drive and make sure system acceleration, VTX/AMDV, is enabled in virtual. You boot the VM from the ISO and at the menu choose Installer. That launches partitioning. Use CFdisk or the installer to create a primary ext4 partition, write changes, then install to that partition. When prompted, install Grub Bootloader and choose to make /system writable so updates and Google Apps can be applied. After installation, unmount the ISO and reboot. Make sure display settings match your VM. Enable Virtual Frame Buffer, or EFI, if your ISO requires it for correct resolution. You finish by configuring input, network, and storage for daily use. Set network to NAT or bridge depending on whether you want host-only access. Restart the VM to get DHCP. Since Virtualbox guest editions don't install normally, rely on Android X86 wheels. Enable keyboard/trackpad in settings and use a DB over network for file transfers. If boot problems occur, toggle PAE/NX or enable EFI in VM settings and increase video memory. That single troubleshooting step usually resolves common boot and display issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.